Hi guys, today in my kitchen we are making a classic bagel sandwich called a BLT with my twist on a sauce, just making it very simple. So why don't you come on in? Welcome to my kitchen and let's see what I am making. You will need a garden salad, you don't need dressing for it though. Some mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, some tomatoes, bacon. Can find this recipe on my YouTube channel, but everything bagels from scratch, homemade, or you can buy your own. Now let's begin by taking our bacon out of the package, and we're going to bake this in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 12 to 20 minutes, depending how you like your bacon. If you like it extra crispy, you'll go for longer. While we're waiting for our oven to preheat for our bacon, we'll get working on the simple sauce. It is simply 2 ingredients. So all my sauce is going to be is about a half a cup of mayonnaise and just a very small amount, about a teaspoon or 2, depending how mustardy you like it, of yellow mustard. I'm going to do about halfway through that at about 1.5 teaspoons. This is optional, but if you want your sauce to be a little bit sweeter, just add in a small amount of sugar, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, and give that a mix. I'll taste this in a second to make sure I got the seasoning right. Let's see. Perfect. Well, our chicken marinades, if you don't mind, if you can give this a like, subscribe, comment, and share. I really appreciate those that do. It really helps my channel go far, and thank you. A banana. Now that our oven has preheated, I can put my bacon in. I'm going to do about 12 or 13 minutes and see where that gets me. So for the BLTs, you just need a salad without dressing because that'll be our lettuce in this case. And I am going to work on slicing up some tomatoes. I'll see you back here in a second. Make sure they're nice and thick slices too. And we'll also take one of our beautiful bagels. I'll link the recipe for these down below. And we're just going to slice them in half and toast them in our toaster. Stretch break. And now that our bacon's done, I am just going to chop it in half so that I can extend it into more sandwiches. And I'll see you in a second. And now let's simply assemble. We're just going to take a small amount of our sauce because it is quite strong. If you want to make it less strong, you can always add more sugar. And that'll be our base, followed by some nice, beautiful garden lettuce. And then we'll layer on our bacon. I like doing about 3 or 4 slices each. Come on, chef hands, eh? And then we'll layer on our final layer, which is our tomato. And pop a top on it. And when you are ready to eat it, you can devour it right now or warm it up for later. Now let me try. I'll let you know how it is. It is hands down so good. You get that nice saltiness, that nice creaminess, all the textures. I highly recommend you go make this very simple salad or sandwich. And it is super affordable if you buy the stuff on sale. So that's even a bigger plus. So until next time, thank you for joining me for my episode. I greatly do appreciate it. And I'll see you later. A banana. It's so good it made my mind fog up. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you next time. A banana.